Alright, Cucumber Magnolia. The tree is named for its late summer fruit, which looks like a cucumber. The large, light, yellowish green flowers are eye-catching. It grows in moist soil. Its wood is light, soft, and close-grained.
This is a very interesting tree. We have two trees in the magnolia family in this area. What's the other one? Tulip poplar. Those are the only two trees that we have that are in the magnolia family. And this is a typical magnolia fruit. There are capsules. These kind of open up and there's a red fruit. So squirrels will gather these, and sometimes you'll see a pile of them along, or a cone of them around a tree where squirrels have picked them up. Magnolia has very large leaves, and the cucumber, being a magnolia, has those. You look up, you can see how long. That's a pretty broad leaf. Cucumber doesn't have a lot of value for lumber. It goes right in with tulip. Tulip is used for painted wood products like painted chairs, cheaper furniture. It's a very soft wood, easy to work. The interesting use of this, and every old barn that you go into, you will find some very, very wide boards, like 24 inches often or wider of cucumber, and they use them as horse stalls because the horse urine didn't rot the wood. Even though it was very soft, easy to work with, it was great for constructing horse stalls. So we don't have a lot of demand for that anymore, but still find them. Some of the boards are just amazing. I don't even know how they cut them. There'd be some of the boards be 24 inches wide and 30 foot long. I just see a number of things like that. Really interesting. Somebody asked a question, why don't we have cherry here? The quick answer for that is that there's a lot of shale rock just under the surface here, and that is a condition that creates very rapid changes of either wet or dry, but not consistent. And cherry requires a lot of moisture, but it requires good drainage. So where we get into quality cherry trees would be a little further to the west or south, and they have about 10 inches more rain per year. And the soil tends to be less of the shale outcropping. So this is not cherry forest, but because it isn't cherry, we have a tree that is in its same range for succession, and that would be the red oak. So here it would be, we can find a few cherry trees probably, but it would be unwise to try to manage for cherry because we have oak in that category. So, and there are some spectacular, I would like to walk around the loops within the 50 acres. There's some really, really nice oak.